Right now, Jasmy Coin is setting up for a massive move to the upside. But of course, right now we are seeing a potential risk of a dip before that move upwards. However, I would like to take a peek at the price action for Bitcoin today, suggesting, in my opinion, that we could be headed up sooner rather than later for Jasmy, a very popular altcoin cryptocurrency, and in general, the entire altcoin market. So in this one, let's talk about some key targets for Jasmy, how high I expect Jasmy to go, and when this thing can start actually taking off, along with other altcoins in this space. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and let's hop right into this one. So here's the Jasmy chart right now, and a great place that I like to trade this coin if I'm trying to leverage trade it is Blowfin. You can sign up using our links down below. I put it in the comment section for you as well. This chart has been actually stuck really in the same zone since February of 2024. But of course, leading up to earlier this year, coming out of the bear market, Jasmy Coin actually had quite a nice move. If you're looking at the total market cap for crypto today and just looking at the general market, you could filter in the last 24 hours, look at the top gainers. Not a lot of coins are moving to the upside today in particular. To the downside, we're having a couple of coins move downward. Jasmy Coin, fortunately, is not one of these big bleeders today. It's kind of just stuck at a key level. Looking at Bitcoin right now is the key. If you want to figure out where Jasmy is going to go, where Jasmy's currently at, Bitcoin's sitting at 69,000, which is actually a rather healthy level. I'm going to jump over to Bitcoin really quick. And then we're going to take a peek at Jasmy then right after. For the price action on Bitcoin, determining when our altcoins are going to pump, Bitcoin was stuck in this range for 230 days, as I'm sure you know by now. We've broken above this range. What I've been looking at as of late, specifically on my live streams, was these daily candles. Now that we've really gotten very close to the previous high, we were within 1.5% of the previous all-time high we had back in March. And this was just a short 4 days ago from the time of this recording. I was looking for a bounce off the $70,000 range, but we did break a little bit lower, which is not truly a problem in my opinion for your altcoins or for Bitcoin, because if you look back to the previous high, we actually did have this red daily candle. However, that it closed below $70,000. It did close above our previous bull market highs from 2021, which is still putting us in a beautiful position to have a potential massive bounce and continuation to the upside. We already have had one bullish confirmation test off the top of this band that we were trading in for 230 days. We've made a move within 1.5% of previous all-time highs. And what I'm saying is this, guys. Bitcoin, if it continues to consolidate right here and get a move up, hopefully to start the next week, hopefully in the month of November, then the altcoins can boom as well. And I'll tell you what, historically speaking, November is an excellent month for cryptocurrency with an average of 42% gains. And so I do feel very good about it. Now, to Jasmy, which I'm sure you've been waiting on me to talk about, what can we expect with this? Well, if Bitcoin can continue to the upside, I think that Jasmy is going to find upside as well. As Bitcoin's been coming up lately, Jasmy has actually, it came up for a bit back in June, but it's been trickling down, and Bitcoin has been gaining some dominance versus Jasmy, which is not a surprise to me because in general, Bitcoin dominance in the crypto market has been surging. And so if you're holding Jasmy coin right now and you're feeling down on yourself, wondering why is this coin not performing as well as Bitcoin? Well, the secret is this. Bitcoin dominance has been climbing in general. Ethereum has not performing well versus Bitcoin right now. Avalanche, another popular chain out there, is not performing well versus Bitcoin. Crocoin, we talk about a lot on this channel, is not performing well versus Bitcoin, and neither is Jasmy. And so where are we at right now with price action? Well, I'll tell you what, if we dip down below the 0.015 cent level, I would be surprised. And if we do that, there's a chance that we could kind of come back down alongside these green candles and move back down potentially to 207. But I do not think that's going to be the case. I think that Bitcoin dominance is going to eventually top up, but Bitcoin dominance has been climbing. And I think that's going to continue to happen as Bitcoin's breaking out. But once Bitcoin breaks past previous all-time highs, there is a chance that all of a sudden Bitcoin dominance does top out, which means that altcoin pairs versus Bitcoin can come back to the upside. That means Ethereum can start rallying versus Bitcoin, Avalanche, and then inevitably Jasmy. And I think that Jasmy, if you look at its previous highs, we had this good, nice area we were at about 31 cents back in November of 2021, back in the bull market highs. I think we surpassed that. On this chart by Gate.io specifically, they do have up to a $5 price for Jasmy. Is something like that possible? You know, can Jasmy coin go all the way up to these previous highs, go at 36,000%? That is a tall order, personally, in my opinion, but I will say that I think that Jasmy can at least go higher than 31 cents. I would like to see Jasmy coin at $1, at least in this bull market. I think that it's possible. All that being said, guys, what I believe is Jasmy soon is going to go up. We wanted to hold above 0.015. The first key target for us is 4 cents and then 30 cents, as I've been telling you guys for a while now. When is Jasmy going to go up? I think very soon, but we're going to need to see Bitcoin break this high soon, and it is looking very good because we're in the month of November, and November is historically quite bullish for Bitcoin and crypto as well. And we're waiting on an altcoin season, which could be right around the corner. Nothing's financial advice, guys. That's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL, and I'll see you in the next one, y'all. I got 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.